Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Dhanu's Little World. Today's recipe video is South Indian famous avial recipe. Avial is a dish originated from Tamil Nadu, although it is equally popular in southern Kannada region of Karnataka and Kerala. It is a thick mixture of number of vegetables along with coconut and coconut oil. Generally it is eaten with rice. The word avial is derived from the way the particular dish is made, which means the vegetables are boiled or cooked in water. So, generally, in this preparation of avial, only crisp vegetables are used, and mainly it is made adding coconut and coconut oil. So, let us start our preparation for today's recipe. So, for preparing avial, I have taken one chopped drumstick, some carrot, some bottle gourd, some chopped potatoes, some chopped cucumber, and one brinjal and plantain. So all the vegetables are to be chopped in this way for this avial recipe. Then I am adding all the vegetables in a cooker. So generally people used to make in other way as well. Normal preparation, they take it in a pot and add some water and cook the vegetables in a single pot. I prepare in this way, in which I used to add the vegetables in cooker and just cook it for a single whistle. This method also works well, but don't cook more than a whistle, otherwise all the vegetable will be mushy. So some of the vegetables are missing in my dish, like raw mango, beans. So those kind of vegetables also you can add along with this preparation of avial. After adding all the vegetables, add some water. Water. Don't add too much water because the vegetables might be mushy after cooking. So add little water and add some salt for the vegetables to cook. Then I added some half teaspoon of turmeric powder. It is optional. Some people may add turmeric or powder, or else you can leave out this step. Close the cooker lid and cook it for only one whistle, not more than that. Otherwise, all the vegetable will be whole mushy and the preparation will not be good. So just keep it in high flame for some time. So until wait you are getting only one whistle. So after one whistle, immediately switch off the flame and rest it for some time until the pressure is down. So meanwhile, in a mixer jar, I have taken half cup of grated coconut, 4 green chilies and some jeera, and I have added some turmeric powder as well. Then I have made a smooth paste. If you wish, you can make coarse paste as well according to your wish. So in a pan, add some 4 to 5 teaspoon of coconut oil. So coconut oil, which is a preferable oil for this preparation of avial. Wait until the oil gets heated. After the oil gets heated, add some mustard seeds and wait until it gets crackled. Then add some curry leaves. So after adding the curry leaves, we are getting a very good aroma of that coconut oil. So I add some quite amount of curry leaves, which is my favorite one. Then I am adding one chopped onions, which is also an optional one. You can just ignore this step as well. Sort the onions until it gets translucent. Then we are going to add the boiled vegetables. Then I am adding the boiled vegetables, which is properly cooked for some time. And today I have taken only 7 vegetables. So many people add more number of 13, and in many areas they used to add until 21 vegetables also. So it is of your choice. So then after adding this boiled vegetable, just mix it for some time. Then next we are going to add the grinded coconut paste. Now I am adding the grounded coconut paste with the jeera and green chili. So today I have prepared this in not in coarse consistency. If you need, because I am going to eat it with rice, so I have made a proper paste of this, not the coarse one. So just after adding the coconut paste, don't cook for too much time. Just keep it for 2 to 3 minutes. So just sort the boiled vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. So actually this avial is a very healthy recipe where we are boiling the vegetables and there is not too much oil tadka in this, and it is very rich with along with the coconut paste and coconut oil. Next step, we have to add some curd with these vegetables. Other possibility is that you can add tamarind pulp or raw mango, which gives tanginess to this recipe. So here I am adding 4 to 5 teaspoon of curd. This should be added after switching off the flame. Don't add the curd once the vegetables are cooking on the flame. So make sure you have to add the curd after switching off the flame. So this gives tanginess to this recipe, which is the most main part of this avial recipe. Yes, the yummy avial recipe is ready, which is a healthy dish which can be taken along with rice or with avial. So do try this recipe at your home and give your valuable comments in the comment section. If you like this video, you can give a just good thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Meet you all in another interesting recipe or another interesting video, guys. Until then, bye.